As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5 star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. Normally, we get to have only one Galaxy Fold model, but this year could be different. According to the latest rumors, Samsung might offer two separate Galaxy Fold 6 models, a regular Galaxy Z Fold 6 and either a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra or something called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. There is a battery certification listing a model number SMF958, and we know from other reliable sources that SMF956 should be the regular Z Fold 6, so it looks like we are getting at least one additional Z Fold 6 model this year. The rumor mill says it will be a super premium Galaxy Ultra, but there might be some confusion in the naming scheme, possibly because it's expected that the aforementioned Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will be slimmer than the regular version. We expect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on board. Despite the fact that we might get a plus version of the chipset in the meantime, we don't expect Exynos variants to make the cut, as the Korean company relies heavily on a Snapdragon for its foldables. What we do expect is a specially tuned version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 wearing the For Galaxy moniker. What it actually means is that the clock rates will be a tad higher, resulting in slightly better benchmark scores if thermal throttling is tamed, that is. The latest leak in that area corroborates all the expectations. It's a Geekbench listing that reveals an octa-core processor with the codename Pineapple. This chip uses a 1+3+2+2 core configuration and an Adreno 750 GPU. The prime core is locked at 3.4 GHz with the three performance cores running at 3.15 GHz. This clearly points toward a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor.